What are maps? Maps help people understand the world. Maps are pictures with information about places. There are many different kinds of maps. A world map shows where places are on Earth. It shows the continents and their parts. There are 7 continents. If I look at the map of the United States, I see all our different states. There are 50 states. We live in Florida. This is our state. Road maps show streets and highways. Road maps help people travel or get around in a city or town. Weather maps show the weather in a place. Different pictures and colors tell what the temperature or weather is like. I look at a weather map to see if it will be hot, cold, sunny, or rainy. Then I know what to wear. Maps use symbols. A dot may stand for a city. A P may represent the parking lot. Maps have a key or legend. This lists each symbol and tells you what they mean. Here's an example of a campground map. You can use the legend to find out what the different colors mean. Blue is often used to represent water. Brown or green is used to show land.